Do you think that training your sales force or sales representatives is a big challenge? Yes, it is. But we have the solution for it. Go for microlearning. Wondering that why microlearning works for sales team? Well, let me share that microlearning offers you the flexibility to choose among multiple learning formats. Your sales force are on the field and they do not have the time to sit on a classroom in a classroom and attend a classroom session. So how you can go about it is that shoot a quick video about your product, shoot a quick product demo, or make a quick infographic that highlights the key features and functionalities of your new product and roll it out to your sales team. It is accessible on multiple devices, so your sales team can refer to those training formats or the training solutions on the go or whenever they want to do. For example, if a sales representative is waiting for a client meeting in his lounge, then he can very well go through those infographics to quickly revise the key features and actually close the sale deal more effectively. That's all from my end for today. If you want to know more about how microlearning is effective in different training formats, stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment, and do follow Comlab India's LinkedIn page for more such informative videos. Thank you.